Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to redeem Airbnb gift card. So please watch the video till the very end to learn how you can redeem them. So first of all, open a Google browser or any other browser that you have been currently using and then open a new tab. There on the search bar you need to type in www.airbnb.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of the Airbnb. Here, before you redeem the gift card, you need to log in into the account of yours. So click on the options over here, that is the profile, and then click on login. Now to log in, you have few options available. That is, you can log in with your phone number, with Facebook, Google, Apple, or email as well. We're going to go through the process of email. Continue with email. Now type in the email address of yours and then click on continue. Then type in the password. Click on login. Now once you have been logged in into the Airbnb account of yours, you need to move the cursor to the profile name and click on it. From here, you need to click on accounts over here. Click on that. On the account page of yours, you need to click open the payments and payout. Click that. It will direct you to this page over here. Here on this web page, you need to scroll down and here you need to click on Airbnb gift credit card. Click on add gift card. Now to redeem a Airbnb gift card, you need to type in the PIN number that is available on the card over here on this text box. Once you have typed in the correct PIN number, you need to click on redeem gift card. Right after you click on it, you will be able to redeem the Airbnb gift card right away. So this is how you can redeem a gift card on Airbnb. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also click on the bell icon for the notification and update. Thank you for watching till the very end.